Listen and repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. It's a beautiful day. I feel happy and ready to learn. What are your plans today? I have to go to work. I need to finish some important tasks. After work, I'll meet my friend. We may have dinner together. That sounds like a great idea. I'm looking forward to it. Practice every sentence with a clear voice. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make a cup of coffee. I eat a healthy breakfast every morning. After that, I get dressed and leave for work. I always try to arrive on time. My office is not very far from my home. At work, I answer emails and attend meetings. I also talk to my coworkers. Everyone is friendly and helpful. We work together as a team. When I don't understand something, I ask questions. Asking questions helps me learn faster. During lunch, I eat with After work, I stop by the grocery store. I buy milk, bread, eggs, fruit, and vegetables. Then I go home and prepare dinner. Sometimes I cook pasta, and sometimes I make chicken and rice. I enjoy cooking because it's relaxing. After dinner on weekends, I like to sleep a little longer. I clean my room and organize my desk. Then I call my family and friends. Sometimes we go to the park or watch a movie together. I also enjoy taking long walks in the evening. Fresh air makes me feel refreshed. Learning English takes time, but don't give up. Practice every day, even if it's only for a few minutes. Repeat every sentence clearly and confidently. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes help you improve. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep learning. When I travel, I like to speak English with new people. It helps me build confidence. I ask for directions, order food, and start simple conversations. Every conversation teaches me something new. I don't need perfect English. I just need the courage to speak. Confidence grows with practice. The more I speak, the more comfortable I become. Let's practice some daily expressions. Excuse me, could you help me? Sure, what do you need? Where is the nearest bus stop? It's just around the corner. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. See you later. Take care. These simple phrases are useful in everyday conversations. Repeat them until they feel natural. Now let's review everything again. Speak clearly and don't rush. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Imagine you're having a real conversation with a native speaker. Smile while you speak because it makes your voice sound more natural. Believe in yourself. Every practice session brings you one step closer to fluency. Excellent work. You completed today's shadowing practice. Listen to this lesson again tomorrow and repeat every sentence with confidence. Daily practice is the secret to speaking English fluently. Today's idiom: hit the books. Meaning: to study hard. Example: I have an English test tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. Now it's your turn. Write your own sentence using hit the books in the comments. I'll read your best examples. See you in shadowing English practice number 6.